Things can get dirty in your Jeep very quickly, and the factory carpet just doesn't have a reputation for long-term survival. But check out the BedRug Jeep floor liners. Molded to match the shape of your floors and wheel wells, the BedRug Liner will replace your factory carpet. Made of 100% polypropylene, it has the look and feel of carpet, but it's stain and mold resistant. It can't fade, and since it's waterproof, the elements won't hurt it. It's made of the same material as the ultra-durable BedRug truck bed liner, so it will hold up to the same kind of abuse, but it keeps your interior looking attractive and civilized. Held in place with industrial hook and loop fasteners, it installs easily without removing the front seats, and the individual pieces can be quickly removed for cleaning. BedRug liners also insulate the cab from road noise, and built-in heat shielding helps to keep the transmission heat out. BedRug floor liners are sold separately as front and rear kits. They're made in the USA and backed by a lifetime warranty. We ship them for free to the lower 48 states, so if you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online at RealTruck.